Hello guys, this is the Modern Hackers channel. Welcome to this episode, and today we will review this Italeri 756 track, MAN track, Formel 6 model, which is the submodel of 26.321. It's a 1.24 scale model, and let's review what is in the box. I will show you all details in the box. We will review together. Let's go step by step. This is the first time I'm opening this box, so we'll open all details, what you see inside. So first of all, we get a decent user manual and instruction, just a very basic formal description what this model is, what's the background of this MAN track with this 6-cylinder engine. We do have some English, French, Italian, Spanish, German and Netherlands wording inside, but the manual itself is the classic one. And don't forget, before we go into the details, this is not a new kit, because back in time this has issued so many times. I'm just sharing with you now. If you go to, for example, ScaleMates, you can check the previous editions of this box if you search for this 756. So first it has issued in 1992, then 2011 and 2017. So if you check the details, this is exactly the same edition. By each years, maybe the box has changed a little bit, but not anything else. This is a good kit because many options you have and many extensions you can buy for the kit. I will show you detail. And the reason why I show you this kit, because many perspective inside beyond the conversion kits. So this is 2023 today, and Italeri has decided this year to make a new model kit preview. And if you review the new model kit preview, the track section itself, the 756 model, this MAN model is inside, so it's expected to be reissued. So worthwhile to see this video. You might see on the shelves again this box, and let's review with me in the details. And before we move on, I'm recommending to you that also review the conversion options. So also there are many conversion options of MAN F7, Saviev, Roman edition and Raba edition, also of the same kit. So there are many options that you can get it from CTM track model company. At the end of the video, I also show you one conversion kit review. If you continue that, we get a decent decal sheet with this yellow design indicating this MAN Formel 6 details. We get many number plate options. You can see this is so standard compared with other Italeri kits. Regarding the user manual itself, looks to me it's a reissued one, so it doesn't look to me a new one, because it doesn't have any color one-pager summary, nothing like that. Looks to me it's a reissued one, but it's followable, so don't see challenge with it. Sometimes the pictograms and the pictures are small. You can see probably this derived from the old 1982 model, the manual, but it's not a problem because that's a historical kit. You should have it in your box. Let's go one by one. So regarding the wheels, rims, I think it's the Italeri standard wheel and rim set. You need to assemble the rims. No special rim here. I think it's pretty much the standard. Also the molding quality. You need to maybe clean this up a little bit. You need to a little bit clean, sand it, but other than that, I don't see problem with it. You get wonderful cap covers, wheel cap covers to it. Let's open it up. These wheel covers enhancing the model detail. Also some metal elements, grills. I think it's based on also the description of the model. Some of the parts coming from American truck models, especially the horns, probably coming from an American truck model. So it's expanding the look and feel of the model. The external exhaust system looks great, and also it's a front man cover, a front grille man cover. It's put a big look and feel to the truck. Regarding the tires, all Italeri standard tires. Looks to me, you can see nothing special to make mention. You get totally 10 tires. The elements packed into one big. I'm opening up now to you. Let's start with the windows. Windows could go wrong if the windows are not good enough. And the clear parts. Let's review first the clear parts. I see some wearing dust on the clear parts. This box went through an eBay round in Europe, so probably it was just scratching in the box, so it's not a manufacturing problem. I will see if I can clean this up easily. Looks, yes, it got some denting in the traveling. You can see the sun shield also here, which not fully transparent, is just half transparent material. But other than the small traveling dents, I don't see problem with it. But I don't see any scratch or major molding problems. So you won't have any real problem when you are assembling this. Let's see further parts. The cabin parts, the main, front, left and right side that you will need to assemble, the back panel, the top, also the Michelin figure you get as an extra. All in all, don't see molding quality problem. Looks at the edges, you will need to stand. Pretty much standard, Italeri standard. For each cabs, the interesting thing to check from the user manuals, each cabin, the assembly part is the most challenging one. So the big question, when you assemble this, and you have the interiors, and when you assemble, can you insert the interiors after the cabin assembled, or the cabin needs to be assembled coating around the interior? That's always the big question. And based on this user manual, you need to assemble the parts around. I will have a following video when I build this model, and I will try this, when I can bypass and I can make first the interior and after slide into the cabin. I always try that to have a better build quality. So based on this user manual, I will need to try this. But I don't have high hopes, because you can see that the left and right fenders mudguards are around built into the cabin. So I have not high hopes, but I will try that. Additional part. Some interiors. The floor, that's interior I was talking about previously. If you build this, whether you can slide it into the cab or not. So just very, very small hopes on that. One seat looks fold off from this, but all complete. On the bed, I can see some molding challenge and molding issue. So the molding quality is not proper. But the surface of the interiors and surface of the flooring is so realistic and returning the real material of that, if you can see. Also, so not a major issue. That's having this. So you can carry on that with that. Let's see extra elements. Additionally, here are the mudguards. You can see, because it's a two-axle system, so there are double of these things. Engine, front mask, the man mask, the logo. All parts looks realistic. The mudguards have some dents, probably based on the transportation, not by the manufacturing of the thing. Looks to me. Some elements fallen off. The 188 fallen off. I will see if it is in the package. Yes, it is in the package. So looks, the kit is completely okay. It's a complete sealed box was. Everything we have, no issues. I don't see issues here with that. The wheel, also you can see the MAN logo with the wording. Also the dashboard is realistic. Also some edges around the speedometer. You can see. Pretty much is a detailed model. I'm yet satisfied with the details that we can see. Okay. And here you can see the frame and the components of the frame, the air tanks, the gas tank, some extra elements, wheel elements, differential system, that's a conversion kit from CTM, the CTM 011 Raba Conversion kit for this Italeri. This converting to a Raba track, to the classic Raba track that was mainly manufactured in Europe and in Hungary itself. It's a historic emblematic track, and CTM Czech track model is making these conversion kits. They're so reliable. You just get it and you can get quickly it. I'm just opening to you this one. What is inside? So you get the photo etches details and additionally some instruction what this is and what the parts description, parts details are. So you can see that you get the grille frame, you get dashboards, wipers, air vent grille, so mostly around the visible parts. So if you see more closer this beyond the grills, also you get Raba-ish wheel caps. That's put Raba so emblematic. Raba logos. Also wipers, photo-edged wipers, dashboards. You can see the turbo labels you can also get. So pretty much a nice photo-edged expansion. It's worthwhile to add this additionally or any similar which you like it. It's your decision which one you build. This is one of the kits that most customizable, I think, on the market, and many people build them, either the standard one or either the customized one. I will definitely build one, and you will see a follow-up video on my channel when I'm building this Italeri 756 model. Definitely worthwhile to build, and see you guys later. Put your comments into the description under the video, the comments. Hit the like button if you like this video, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe now, and have a nice day. Thank you guys. Bye.